A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
All right, today is Monday, March 8th, 2021, and we're going to log into my TD Ameritrade Rollover IRA. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. So let's log in here, and I really don't want to log in here because it is not pretty. This week, I think I can say this past 2 weeks has been brutal. Real brutal. And if you guys are in the market, I know you guys are feeling it too. But if you are a long-term investor, you will come back. So let's go to my rollover IRA. And we want to make the screen bigger, as we always do, so everybody can see how terrible I've done in the last 2 weeks. So we're going to go up, and we're going to start off like we always do with dividends. So we're going to go to transactions. And I got it set for 14 days. So that's going to give us the last 2 weeks, because that's when the last time I updated you guys. And the first thing we want to do is find all the dividends that I received in the last 2 weeks. So our first dividend is stock ticker MKTX, and this is market access. And I received $8.63. The next dividend is stock ticker WFC. This is Wells Fargo, $10.36. Stock ticker INTC. This is Intel, $2.83. And we have another one is stock ticker LPX, and this is Louisiana Pacific, and the amount is $3.68, a total of $25.50 in the last 2 weeks. And the good thing about dividends, if the price goes up or down, as long as that company is paying a dividend, you get money. And all my stocks went down. So thank God for the dividend, because I still got it. So let's check out, what did I buy? What stocks did I buy in the last 2 weeks? And as you guys know, I like to buy when the market dipped, but the market did way more than dip. The market almost crashed, I guess you can say, but I still bought, and I did some selling. So let's talk about what I bought in the last 2 weeks. So I bought TDOC. I bought 1 share, and again, the market crashed, so I decided to buy. I bought a new stock to my portfolio. This is stock ticker EXP, and this is Eagle Materials, and I have their website up. And what this company does is it builds and manufactures cement, wallboard, paperboard, and concrete. So let's just take a look at the products. So cement. So if you're doing construction, you need cement. This company is one of the few companies in the U.S. that manufacture cement. Let's look here. This is the actual plants that they own. It takes the gravel and makes the concrete. And we look here. Wallboard. This is also known as sheetrock. And you can find all this stuff at Home Depot and Lowe's. And the reason I decided to buy this particular company, it is a profitable company, and this is a play on the housing market. Housing is selling like crazy. That's existing housing and new housing, and all this stuff, you need it. Also, this is a play in terms of the cement of just new construction. So I'm thinking with the stimulus package that's going out and the things that they want to do, this particular company can go higher in value because you're going to need concrete for office buildings. Anything that you're doing, concrete is a foundation. So all the way from your house, sidewalks, to stadiums and buildings, you have to have concrete and cement. All right, let's go back to the portfolio. The next stock that I bought, and all the rest of the stocks that I'm going to mention to you guys, I already own them in my portfolio. I decided to buy more of each of these stocks because I believe in the company. Most of the companies are profitable, and with the market crash, I was able to get some deals. So let's pick up at stock ticker LPX. This is Louisiana Pacific. I bought more shares. Stock ticker CCL. This is Carnival Cruises. I bought 9 shares. Stock ticker DRI. This is Darton Restaurants. I bought 2 more shares. Stock ticker F, Ford Motor Company, 21 shares. There's Darton again. I bought more of that. Stock ticker LOW. This is Lowe's, as in Lowe's Home Improvement. I bought 2 shares. LPX again. I bought 5 additional shares. Stock ticker LYV. This is Southwest Airlines. 5 shares. Stock ticker MAR. This is Marriott, as in Marriott Hotels. 2 shares. Stock ticker TGT. This is Target, as in Target Stores. I bought a total of 4 shares. More Ford Motor Company, more Carnival Cruises, a little bit more of Lowe's, more Marriott, and more LPX. This is, again, Louisiana Pacific. So what did I sell? So let's go back to the top. And I sold a couple of stocks. So I sold stock ticker MRNA. And this is Moderna, as in the vaccination company. I decided to sell some of my shares. I didn't sell all. I was up over 100%, meaning I doubled my money. So I decided to take some profits. I still own a company. Nothing wrong with the company. They're still rolling out the vaccination. If you want to buy shares of that company, you believe in it, you can definitely do it. The next stock ticker is OKTA, and I decided to sell 5 shares. And again, this was me just grabbing some profit. I still own some shares. I didn't cash out. And the next stock that I sold is stock ticker PTON, and this is Peloton, as in the exercise equipment. And I was up over 100%. So in this company, I doubled my money, and I just decided to take some profits. I still have 10 shares. So none of these I cashed completely out. It was just a play on taking money. And the reason I wanted to go ahead and take this money is the market is dipping. I needed more money in my account, which is about a little over $3,000. If the market continues to drop, I'll have money to buy more stocks. All right, so let's go up to the top and compare where I am now to where I was 2 weeks ago. And man, I wish I can get those 2 weeks back. So we're going to go to positions. And my value is $193,501.15. And if we can compare this to 2 weeks ago, so we want to go to the menu and we want to go to portfolio tracking. And my last update was on February 22nd, right here. And on the 22nd, I had $205,600 $147.78. And going back to today, the difference is a negative $12,146.63. I don't even want to say that, but over $12,000 I lost in 2 weeks. That is not good. I was not clicking on the right stuff, but I want to tell you guys, this is how the market works. And if you guys are brand new to the market, this is actually a pretty decent time to jump in because we're on a dip. And if you buy now, it could dip more or it could go up. No one knows. But if you do decide to get some stocks now, it is a good time. I would go kind of easy, buy a couple and wait either days or weeks. See if the market goes down lower. If you want to buy a different stock, do that. But if you want to add to what you just bought, you can do that. And then it's just a matter of waiting this stuff out. I don't know if you have to wait till later this year or 1 year or 2 years, but it will come back. I will guarantee it. I just can't tell you when. I want to show you guys this, that I'm actually down for the year. So I want to show you my account overview. And I just want to show you guys how things work. So on January 1st, I was at $195,679.91. So of course, we're in March now, so we're going up and down, up and down. I'm making money. You guys know how it is because I've been showing you. But if we look at where I am now, I am actually negative for the year. So I am down over $2,000 when you compare what I had on January 1st. So this happened last year. We were going and going and going. The market dipped, and I actually went negative, and the market came back within the same year. So we got to wait and see what's going to happen for the rest of 2021. Will I come back? Will it stay about the same, or will it get worse? You guys will know because every 2 weeks I update you guys. So let's go back up here, and we're going to talk about my best performing stock and my least performing stock. So let's go back to positions. And before we talk about positions, I need to let you guys know, just today I was down almost $1,600, $1,597.39. So a bad 2 weeks and a bad day. Not good. So now we're going to get into my best performing stock and least performing stock. So my best performing stock is Walt Disney. So let's find that. Right here, 6.68%. Today I made almost $460. Stock ticker is DIS, and this is Walt Disney Company. And my least performing stock is, and this is really cool. This is a cool least performing stock. And when I say it's cool, meaning wait till I tell you the name of the company, because this is what happened. So today I am down almost a negative 12%, 11.72%. I lost almost $120. And this stock ticker is POW. And that's what happened. POW, upside my head. The whole 2 weeks. Everything is just a big no-no. And the name of this company is Ammo. And if you guys are new to stock trading and you're looking at this video and you're like, okay, I see all these stocks. I never bought anything in my life. How do I get to first base? I'm glad you asked. You want to come right here to stocks and rentals. This is my website. And if you click on the menu, you're going to see something that says new to stock investing, start here. So click here. And I have every step, a total of 8 steps that you can go through to open up your account, decide what you want to buy in terms of stocks and bonds, what type of account you want to open. Is it a retirement account or a standard brokerage account? And I'll show you how to buy a stock, and I'll show you how to sell a stock. Everything is here. Everything. Nothing left out. And you know what I didn't do? I didn't do my slow scroll through all my stocks so you guys can see them. All right, so again, this is my rollover IRA, and I want to do a slow scroll and show you every stock I own. So of course you guys can pause the video and you guys can see everything I own, and you can look over here at the stock ticker, and you can Google the stock ticker to find the name of the company and do your own research to see if you like some of the companies I'm invested in. But I want to tell you guys this. There are thousands of companies I do not know about that can be doing very well. So I'm pretty sure you guys can find them. And when you find them, let me know, because I might want to follow your lead and invest in what you guys are invested in. So again, you can just pause the video, take your time, and check out everything I'm doing. All right, we are back. Stocksandrentals.com. Y'all know how it go. If I make my money in stocks and rentals, why would I try to get money from you? That makes no sense. Everything I do is free. I am here to teach, and I'm here to learn. So if you guys have some suggestions or anything that you want from me, if I don't know about it, I'll try to find it and get that information to you. Stocksandrentals.com. I am out. Peace.